Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. First, before we start, we take a look here at the overall wave count since June. And then we take a look at the two different scenarios because we get some clarity here with the latest MATIC price movements. So my view is still that we had a wave 1 here that peaked at around $1.05 here back in August. We then are coming down at the moment in an A, B, C pattern in a wave 2 that should take us into the yellow support area. I currently fully expect that to get into the region between 47 and 69 cents. Again, there is nothing really bearish on this chart until we drop below 47 cents. Now, we didn't have so much clarity about in the last few weeks about this price action here. So as I just explained to you, I expect us to be in a C wave, a so-called ending diagonal. But what was unclear pretty much until yesterday, and I think now we have some clarity, even though it's not crystal clear yet, but nothing is ever crystal clear in these markets. We didn't have so much clarity about, do we sell off from here, from this resistance area that we had here? Do we sell off straight away further down, or do we get, so obviously you can see here we had an ABC to the upside in possibly a wave B, and we would then expect a C wave in wave 3 next. What wasn't very clear was the situation that, hey, this could have been an A wave, this could have been a B wave, and we would get a C wave to the upside in a larger degree B wave. And that means there would have been short-term upside before coming down. There was certainly the case for it. And we defined for that low here, a support area in blue all the way down to 80 cents to the 78.6% FIB level at 80.4 cents. Now that was broken yesterday. It wasn't broken substantially, so theoretically it's not invalidated, but it's now very unlikely. So I'm now fully expecting a direct sell-off into the region around 69 cents. Now that doesn't mean it happens in one straight line. I think there will be ups and downs, of course. There will be very shortly some kind of a short relief rally, but it would most likely not exceed 95 cents anymore. If it does, obviously there's still a small chance that this all is just an ABC pattern, but for this pattern that we've got here, the B wave would actually be too deep, too strong. So if I have something like an A wave here, a B wave here, this is too strong, and a C wave to the upside. So this is getting very, very unlikely now, especially as we've taken the last swing low out here at yesterday at 80.4 cents. Yes, we've recovered, but still we took it out. Okay, so let's zoom in. We broke obviously the support area. You can see that so far this move up is not too exciting, it looks quite impulsive to the downside now. So at the moment only 3 waves down. So theoretically this is still possible. Unfortunately, MATIC doesn't make it easy. I don't want to rule out completely that this is an ABC still, and this is the B wave, and within the B wave we've got A, B, C with a strong C wave down, but it's not certainly the primary expectation, and I fully expect with a high probability a further sell-off down there. So expect this to be a 5-wave move, a wave C in 3, where we've got here the wave 1 possibly as a leading diagonal, then the wave 2 to the upside. Wave 3 is most likely going to become 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, maybe now 4 and 5, one more leg down ideally, then a wave 4 and a wave 5, and that could take us here to around 69 cents. Target for this third wave, we get that by taking the length of the wave 1, going to the top of the wave 2. The 1.618 extension was already reached, so we are in the area where such a wave 3 would normally finish. Maybe we are already in the 4th wave. It should then, however, get one more leg down. Textbook target, if we really bottomed in wave 3 here, textbook target would be around the 2.618 extension, around 73 cents actually. for this third wave. Then there should be a fourth wave and a fifth wave down. So let's see where that takes. It should take us sort of into the 60s, maybe even a bit lower. But yeah, that's what I expect. This whole pattern or idea would get invalidated if we break above 94 cents again, 94.5. Then we need to rethink this. Let me just change the wave degree here. But that's my update about Polygon MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.